In this video, I'm going to show how we built a new kitchen island using an off-the-shelf butcher block and some pine wood boards. We love that this island is perfect for gathering and cooking socially. This island is built out of all off-the-shelf materials that you should be able to purchase at a Home Depot or Lowe's. For the two storage shelves on the sides of the range, I'm using pine boards. I'm going to attach everything with a pocket hole jig. I cut all of my boards using a compound miter saw, which I highly recommend. This is a very nice project and you want to make sure you have nice straight joints. I love the pocket hole jig because all of the pocket hole screws are hidden underneath. This is a permanent fixture in this kitchen, so I wanted to do a really nice job and it to look like the expensive, beautiful piece of furniture that it is. I love using the pocket hole jig because it's very precise and you can see the joint while you're attaching it. For this island, you're just going to build two of these side shelves. And I love these side shelves because they're perfect for storing all sorts of things that are accessible within easy reach for either using the island to eat or cook with. Notice I'm using glue on all of the joints. This just adds to the structure as the butcher block countertop is very heavy and you want this to be a strong project. Don't worry about writing anything down. I have a free plan that is linked in the description that you can download and build this island yourself. I put a lot of pocket holes in mine. It's probably overkill, but again, I wanted this piece to last and last. I can totally see my grandchildren enjoying this kitchen in generations to come. Okay, so now for the shelves. The shelves aren't structural. I just decided to space mine evenly and attach them with pocket holes, but you could also use shelf pins. I normally only do 2 pocket holes on the end of a 1x10 or 1x12 board, but I'm choosing to do 3 this time because my boards had a slight cup to them, and I'm using that middle pocket hole screw to pull that cup out of the board. This kitchen island is really as simple as building these 2 little bookshelves and then tying all the pieces together. And there's the 2 side shelves. Now I'm going to add the backs. So a trick here is to mark the center of the shelves before you attach the back on the sides. And then once you place the back on, you can just draw a line between those marks you made on the sides and you'll know where to nail in the center of the shelves. All right, these off-the-shelf butcher block countertops I bought at either Home Depot or Lowe's, and I bought 2 of them that are 25 inches wide by 8 feet long. I'm going to join them in the center with pocket holes. I'm using the HD attachment. To make the seam even more perfect, we ran a hand planer down the seam to be joined on both of the butcher blocks. You can see how that creates a nice square edge. Now for assembly, I am so sorry to get more photos for you, but basically we just attached the framing to the legs and then put the top. And then it was time to paint. It took me the most time to paint this, I think about 4 to 5 hours with several coats on it. But the payoff is huge, and our family has been enjoying this piece. It's comfortably seating up to 6 people, and I love when I'm cooking, I'm not facing a wall.